I hope you found your favorite hurdle and around and check those safety belts. For your safety, if you are standing, make sure standing in between the critters at all times, facing forward away from the edge. And if you are sitting on one of our critters or one of our logs, make sure we're staying seated until the carousel comes to a full complete stop, and there should be no moving around the carousel while it's in motion.
He rides like the wind from the gallop and play. He's Jessie's best pal when they're saving the day. And she dared to ride full gallop on her pony for her thrills and a song of joy and gladness bubbled up from her heart. It was sport and daring music, that's how you gotta start. He called her Jessie, the old encounter. She rides across the prairie, sings so sweet and merry. Yes, she's Jessie, the old encounter. She rides along and knows a song from dawn to dusk around, 'cause she's Jessie, the old encounter. We call her Jessie, the old encounter. She rides along and knows a song from dawn to dusk around, 'cause she's Jessie, the old encounter.
Now don't distract the critter and move back to the carousel comes to a complete stop. All right, now it's safe for you to step down and exit. Watch your step and remember to grab all your saddlebags. Then follow the arrows to the nearest exit gate. Thanks for riding around with us. Howdy, Carousel. Jessie here. Welcome to my current carousel. Listen, watch your step as you get on